Hello everyone, welcome to the another episode of Portrait Tutorial series. This is your friend Shubhajit here and you are watching The Art Adventure. This episode is mainly focused on to the shading of hair. You will be knowing how to draw realistic hair using charcoal step by step. I hope you will like this too, like all of the previous episodes. If you haven't watched it yet, then I will recommend you to see this before. The link of all those videos are given below in the description box. Here first of all I figured out all the dark area and the shaded part with the help of charcoal powder. I sprayed and blended this charcoal powder with the help of synthetic brush only. And after that, using charcoal pencil I start increasing the depth. Sometimes I also remove charcoal from some area with the help of kneaded eraser to make the skin tone lighter. Keep watching and enjoy the video. If you are interested, you can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. If you are practicing sketch and want to share your artwork with me, then you can tag me there. Link of my Facebook and Instagram account are given below in the description box. As you can see, at the time of shading hair, I left some area white. This is the portion where the lights are reflecting from here. I will apply light shading onto it later on. You might notice one thing, that here I am using a scale just as a base of my hand, so that my previous work on face don't get smudged or damaged by my hand movement. You should take this precaution too if you are working with charcoal. I hope you learned something new from this video. Please comment and share your experience. If you want to know something more, then let me know that. Your response and comment is really valuable for me. If you like this video, then make a big thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon to get all the notification of my upcoming videos. Stay connected, we'll come back soon with the next part. Thanks for watching.